Hello there and welcome to another video, and in this video I will be going over YouTube TV versus Fubo TV in 2024. That sounds about right, then let's head right in. So, YouTube TV and Fubo TV are two leading contenders in the world of streaming television, each offering a range of features and channels. Let's dive deep into their offerings to see which one comes out at the top. First up, let's talk about channels. Alright, so Fubo TV offers three kinds of subscriptions: Latino, Pro, and Elite. The Latino subscription comes with 62 channels, while Pro comes with 188 channels, and the Elite subscription comes with 256 channels. And on YouTube TV, depending on your plan, they offer over 100 plus channels. Next, let's look at DVR capabilities and storage options. So the DVR storage for YouTube is of course unlimited with zero expiration, while Fubo TV offer varying DVR capabilities depending on your plan. And now for the Latino subscription, they offer over 250 worth of hours for DVR storage. And for the Pro version and Elite subscriptions, they offer 1,000 hours worth of DVR storage. Now when it comes to simultaneous recordings, well, YouTube TV can record up to 3 shows at once, while Fubo TV can record multiple shows simultaneously. And when it comes to recording expiration, well, YouTube TV has zero expiration on recorded content, while Fubo TV expires after 30 days. Although this might not seem as an issue, but if you're the kind of person who really wants to hang on to some certain shows for a longer period of time, then this might prove challenging. And when it comes to playback restrictions, well, YouTube TV has zero playback restrictions, while Fubo TV might be limited to home networks or location-based restrictions. Not to mention the fact that Fubo TV isn't really available in most parts of the world. When it comes to this, well, YouTube TV kind of has the upper hand. Let's discuss streaming quality and device capability. So when it comes to streaming quality, well, YouTube TV offers up to full HD 1080 pixels resolution, while Fubo TV offers 4K streaming on selected channels and events. Now, though this might not be an issue, it is of course a matter of preference. Moving on, let's look at device compatibility. While YouTube TV is compatible with Roku, Apple TV, Chromecast, and smart TVs, Fubo TV supports Roku, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, Chromecast, and a lot more. And speaking of the number of devices allowed, well, YouTube TV allows up to 3 simultaneous streams, while Fubo TV provides 2 simultaneous streams per account. And lastly, let's break down the pricing options for both services. Well, depending on your plan and subscription, for YouTube TV you might be looking at $62 to $72 per month with at least 10 days worth of free trial. And this is of course with an extra, let's say between $1 to probably as high as $15, 7 days worth of free trial for certain add-ons. Outside of that, YouTube TV offers 3 major kinds of plans. Now we have the 62, well, let's say roughly $63 per month worth base plan, and of course the Spanish plan, which goes for $34.99 a month with at least 30 plus Spanish channels, and the NFL Sunday Ticket bundle, or standalone bundle rather, which starts at 4 payments of $87.25 a month, and that's a total of $349. Well, you get the gist. In conclusion, both YouTube TV and Fubo TV offer a robust streaming experience with unique strengths. YouTube TV excels in its unlimited DVR storage, smooth streaming experience, and comprehensive channel lineup including major networks. Not to mention it supports more regions than Fubo TV. While on the other hand, Fubo TV stands out with its extensive sports coverage including regional sports, networks, and international sports channels. Ultimately, the choice between the two comes down to your personal preference and of course viewing habits. Alright, so there you have it. I've provided a detailed summary of the breakdown of the features, channels, and pricings for both YouTube TV and Fubo TV. and with this you should be able to make an informed decision based on your preferences. So if this video helped you, do well to leave a like on the video, and of course subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in another video.